Bitilasana, also known as cow pose, is a gentle and beneficial yoga asana that complements cat pose, Marjariasana. In this pose, you start on your hands and knees, arching your back and lifting your tailbone. Bitilasana promotes flexibility in the spine and helps to engage and strengthen the abdominal muscles. Now let's explore how to do this yoga asana. Start in all fours position. Knees hip-width apart and wrists directly under your shoulders. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze and tailbone up into cow pose. Go back to neutral position with an exhale. This asana is often incorporated into dynamic sequences, providing a smooth transition between flexion and extension of the spine. Bitilasana is particularly effective in warming up the back, improving posture, and increasing circulation. Include cow pose in your yoga routine to foster spinal flexibility, strengthen your core, and promote a sense of balance and well-being. Join us at Yoga World as we explore the transformative effects of yoga asanas on both body and mind. Namaste.